For ripping around your lake, would you personally get a GP1800R SVHO or an FX SVHO? Currently, I own a 22 GP, but there's something about the all-black FX. I love the look of the all-black FX. I love the all-black FX SVHO. I love it without sound. I love most things about that ski. I love the fact that they made the hull out of SMC. I love the fact that they moved the sponsons because everything that I've heard in regards to the Riva Pro Series sponsons on the relocated FX, it's chef's kiss. Mwah. Buenissimo. So, yeah. Personally, I'm a bigger guy. I'm 6'2". I'm 240 something pounds. I have kids. I have a wife. So I'm going to be bringing people with me. So my needs are not your needs unless we're identical twins that I didn't know about. So that's really up for you. I would prefer the FX because of the versatility of the FX. I think the family usage of the FX. Yeah, everything about the FX. So I go FX. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.